Welcome, today in front of me a HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first we'll just unblock our device, and now we should go into the settings application. Here tap on the home screen and wallpaper, and here you'll see the always on display section. Here, as can you see, we got the display mode. We can change that to show the always on display only when we just hold tap to our screen or just by shadow. So we can just here set the start and the end or to show the always on display. We'll say stay with it all day. Here we can just change the, we got it at this time, this image. We can change it to the another color, as can you see, or just to another image. Here we can just here tap to apply. Also here we can set the some just text. Here we can just change the text by tap here once, and we can change also the color of this text. Also you can here the just change these images to the analog clock if you want, to the digital clock, or also to some of these styles of the clocks. So we'll just go with this. Okay, we'll just change it to the analog clock. We'll just tap here to show the date and to show our notifications and the level of our battery. Now we'll just tap here to apply, and as can you see, we just customize our always on display feature on HUAWEI P50 Pro. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this here something that can help you, just don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and to leave a comments. So thank you, bye.